Here you are going to learn about subject-verb agreement. Subject and verb, they maintain a certain relation, and when we follow the rules, then the sentences are grammatically correct. Rule number 1. A verb must agree with its subject in number and person. We use singular form of verb with singular subject and the plural form of verb with plural subject. Examples: the 2 reasons for quitting the job are: the reason I made this video is, the new oven works fantastic, all my friends don't belong to India, my brother has much knowledge of computers, they have extra pens. In all these sentences, you see the subjects, if are singular, then singular verb has been used, and where the subjects are plural, plural verb. Rule number 2. A collective noun takes a singular verb when collection is thought of as one whole, and it takes a plural verb when individuals of which it is composed are thought of. Examples: the committee has at last decided on the matter. The union is breaking. In both the sentences, committee and union, they are collective noun, and so we have used singular verb has and is. Rule number 3. When the subjects joined by or nor are of different persons, the verb agrees with the nearer. As example, neither he or she comes for tuition. Neither she or they come for tuition. Either they or she is hiding the truth. Either he or they are to be blamed. When the plural noun is a proper noun for some single object or some collective unit, it must be followed by singular verb. Examples: the Three Musketeers was written by Dumas. The Arabian Nights is my all-time favorite. United States has a powerful defense. Now, the Three Musketeers, the Arabian Nights, are name of books, so they are proper nouns. United States is a group of states, and so with it we have used singular verb. Either, neither, each, every one, many, a must be followed by a singular verb. Let's see how they have been used in the example. Neither of the 2 stories was interesting. Each of the boys has doubts in maths. Everyone asks me this question. One of my uncles is getting married this week. Either of them needs a good thrash. Always remember to use singular verb after either, neither, each, every one, many, a must, or one. Rule number 6. When pronouns such as few, many, several, both, all, some act as subject, the verb is plural. Many of my relatives are in government jobs. Few of my students are not attending the online classes. Several notices were sent to the parents. Both the parties tell lies. All are invited for the housewarming. Some were complaining about the new chairperson. Rule number 7. If an indefinite pronoun such as everybody or anybody is used as the subject of the sentence, the verb is usually singular. Examples: everybody knows the truth behind his action. Anybody is welcome. Rule number 8. 2 or more singular nouns or pronouns joined by and takes a plural verb. Examples: he and I are great friends of Kajal. Redmi and Realme have same prices. Rule number 8b. But if the noun suggests one idea to the mind or refer to the same person or thing, the verb will be singular. Examples: time and tide waits for none. Here the idea is that time is more precious and it waits for no one. Bread and butter is basic need. Bread and butter. Here It gives the idea of food. My friend and doctor is today's guest. In this, my friend and doctor are the same person. And so I have used here is. Rule number 9. When a plural noun denotes some specific quantity considered as a whole, the verb is generally singular. Examples: for me, 5 kilometers is also a long distance. 15 minutes is sufficient time to complete the job. 20 lakhs is a large sum. Rule number 10. Some nouns which are plural in form but singular in meaning take a singular verb. Examples: the news that I received is true. They say mathematics is a tough subject. Economics is my favorite subject. When a sentence begins with here or there, the verb agrees with the actual subject which follows it. Here is your new watch. There are your friends. In these two sentences, the actual subjects are watch and friends. Watch is singular, so is used. Friends, plural, so are is used. Error of proximity. When the subject is a phrase consisting of more than one noun, the verb is made to agree in number with a noun near it instead of its proper subject, is what we call error of proximity. It should be avoided. Examples: the quality of pears is poor. The education of rural children is hindered. Here the students may make a mistake by writing R after pears and R after children. But here we are talking about the quality of pears, and so is education of rural children, and so we have used is. If you find this video helpful, then do like and subscribe.